Hello, and yes, indeed, this is Japan Game Junk, but today a bit of something different. Usually, I would not do something like this, but I was happy to give this a shot and thought, hey, let's do something that's not game related so much. So, I often go to the used shop to get games, and I found these SE-30 stereo headphones from Pioneer, made in 1967. Now, these are actually new in box. The box itself is in terrible shape. In fact, I'll be throwing it away after this. But I actually have not looked inside. It seems that someone just had a pair of new old stock headphones just in their... Looks like they were probably in a barn or a shed, but this is Japan, so I doubt that, just somewhere. But the box is filthy. Absolutely filthy. Yeah. So that's why it's in the shower here, so I can just wash it out when I'm finished, seeing all the stuff that will come off the box. But I was told by the store owner that actually they only opened it once just to make sure there was something inside, and indeed that it was new inside. So it's been opened once by the store, put back immediately, and yeah, basically it is new in box. Because it's so dirty, I put my own plastic wrap around that, so I could handle the stuff. It was originally in a bag, like a plastic bag, but I took it out of the bag, discovered the dirtiness, and wrapped it up in this plastic just to transport it over here to the shower, and then have some of it removed, and I'll do the rest right now. So yeah, here we go. Again, box that has seen better days, but real new and stock headphones. Wow. A pound of headphones fun. Plain bottom. Look at that. Look at that text. That 60s text. Yes. Alright, and indeed in a moment I will get out the good old portable audio player, this digital audio player here. And why isn't it turning on? Oh, if it doesn't turn on, then how do I even test this? How would I give it a test? Oh well, I'll figure that out in a moment. Anyway. Let's see what this is like. So, unboxing now. For the first time, let's see what's inside. Oh wow. Okay, a lot to unpack here. First, paper. Wow. Oh, this smells so crazy. Such an old smell. Alright. So, explanation of what's the... So the SE-30 model has the impedance of 4 to 16 ohms. The speaker unit, that's the matching. The speaker unit, I guess that's 8 ohms, 0.5 watts, 20,000 hertz, 2.5 meter long cord. That is crazy. Yeah, including the cord, that's 380 grams. So in fact, it is weighing much less when you don't have the stuff that was included in it. But yeah, Pioneer, public company. Wow. Hi-fi stereo use. Really, really pumping up its quality in stereo. I didn't fold that. That was factory folded, perhaps. Wow. Various diagrams for your proper use. Okay. Let's take a look here. Wow. What's that? Oh my goodness, it's powder. Wow. There's... Oh, it was a sponge. Oh, wow. That's dirty. So there's these sponges to protect the equipment, but over the years they've become dust. Wow. Sponge dust. The box itself, under this this velvety pad, there's just cardboard there. Wow. They were white once. Oh, it's such a smell. I can't describe it. It's kind of mildewy, but more than that, it's just kind of like just old and dusty. Like, the box has, of course, been wet, but I think these were protected. Wow. Pioneer SE-30, 8 ohms on each ear cup. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. These are a bit on the not wearable side at the moment. Oh dear. Inside, more sponge. Oh my goodness, it's just coming apart at the touch. Okay. And both of them... Oh no, what to do? Well, here we go. Hold it like this, and then... Oh, wow. It's so dirty. Oh, wow. Oh, that's unpleasant. Oh, wow. Oh, so much dusty sponge. Dusty sponge. All around. Well, but inside... Oh, some of the dusty sponges. Oh, maybe it was meant to be intact the whole time. It wasn't meant to come out. Oh. Voke. Wow. Fingers feel so gross right now. Anyway, so what I'll do is I think I'll cut off the video here. I'll get a bit of a wet rag and really clean these out and see if I can't give him a test. Maybe I can't. We'll see if I can't. Be right back. And we're back. That was not so fun. A lot of wet paper towels. Anyway, I did my best, so I got the gunk out the best that I could. It's a little tough, but just gave it a good once-over. Now, let's give it a listen. So, on the digital audio player, which only needed a tiny bit of charge, let's do DuckTales from the Nintendo game DuckTales. Music. So, I have here fresh new adapters, as this, of course, is not your typical mini plug. And I want to make sure these are going to be okay, so I got fresh ones. Open up and come out. Got one. Here we go. And so adapter goes in. There we are. Now we have DuckTales Moon Stage in. All right. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Never been played before, but yes, the metallic aluminum casing. Very nice. I'm gonna put these on my head, see how they sound. I think they go this way. Oh, wow. They're a bit twisty. Oh, wow. Okay, they have been oxidized. I'm probably speaking very loudly right now, but the left one kind of pops in and out, but if I adjust the headphone thing here, it's not too bad. But yes, incredibly full sound, actually. Very, very nice. Of course, if you have your super awesome, made for today's technology headphones, then of course this would sound a bit different, but very warm, very analog sound for this chiptune music. I think I'll put them back on and play actual Let's do some... I don't think this will be able to play it on YouTube if it gets legible, but let's go to... How about some... There we go. A visit to the gynecologist from Dr. Octagon. Alright. Apparently that file format was not supported, so let's try a different one here. Something with some music to it. Oh, that might be good, yeah. Okay. Wow, this must be so fun to watch and listen as I scroll through looking for some a Neil Cicerega mix track now. However, I'm sure that would not be the best to play on YouTube. Wow. Oh, but you know what? It's worth a listen. Let's see. Now listening. Okay. Alright, turning this down. Okay. So, these things here, it's like you're in your own concert hall. Any voice is just so echoey. And I know originally there was the original sponge there has been disintegrated, but it's incredibly... Well, it's vibrant sound. It's very harsh sound. Yeah, it's a little weird stuff. So, anyway though, they're interesting for being somewhat antique headphones, and they have a very interesting quality to them that I have not heard with any other. So, in addition to my audiophile headphones and my convenience portable headphones and some regular little cheap headphones you just throw on, these will have a nice place on the rack. And occasionally, if I want to hear some perhaps older music, this might feel very appropriate. These Pioneer SE-30. Kind of interesting. Really wonder how they would have sounded if they had the original pads, but I'm sure none do now, as they're just dust. Oh well. Thanks so much for watching this. Just felt like popping this on the internet in case other people came across these things. They're a laugh and a half. Bye-bye.